I truly believe that this community, the one we have here, the stuff that's going on, is once in a lifetime. I don't see anywhere else happening what's happening here. One of our viewers in Argentina has figured out how to use WhatsApp natively, native WhatsApp application on your Galaxy Watch 4. Thank you, Miguel, and God bless. I will link his video down below. It's not in English, so that's why I'm here for you. He has contacted me and I'm doing this, what he did, but in English, so everyone else can do this. And if you want to be part of this awesome worldwide community, what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe. It's always appreciated, you know that. It only takes 5 minutes and it's a fully functional installation. You can use it right afterwards, so let's get going. Step 1, make sure your Android phone and your Galaxy Watch 4 is on the same Wi-Fi network. That is really important. Just go into the settings, make sure it's all connected to the same network. Step 2, enable the developer option on your Galaxy Watch 4. Go to settings, go to about watch, all the way to the bottom, go into software and keep tapping software version until you see the developer option enabled. A small box will pop up and show you this. Then go back out and then we go to step number 3, enable debugging. Go to developer option, which is now visible as you just have enabled that. Tap on ADB debugging as well as debug over Wi-Fi. Once you've done this, you will see a whole bunch of numbers. The only important part here is the IP address, which we can get later in here on the Wi-Fi settings, or simply write it down when you see it now. Step number 4, go to your phone, the one that is connected to your Galaxy Watch 4, download the following application. It's called BugJaeger. If you're one of those who have Google Assistant installed, you only need to pay attention from here onward because you have done all the steps already. The application itself is available in the Google Play Store. Just download it and you're ready to go. Step number 5, go to your phone and go to the web version of WhatsApp on your Google Chrome browser. Just simply search for it, open it up, open the web page, scroll all the way down to downloads, select Android, download the APK file for Android onto your phone. This is the official WhatsApp APK file with no strings attached. There's nothing and nobody else has been fiddling around with it. This is the official WhatsApp metaverse, whatever you want to call it, version. It's official. It doesn't get better than that. Step number 6, open BugJaeger. Open the application that you just downloaded from the Google Play Store, and then you connect your Galaxy Watch 4 with the application. And here is how we do this. Press the little icon on the right hand side to add your device. If you have installed Google Assistant, you may have a valid IP address popping up in here already. If not, it should be blank. Enter your IP address. You can find it by going to your Wi-Fi settings, the debugging settings I've shown you earlier, or you may have already written it down. Ignore all the numbers 5 below, just don't touch it, just leave them in. And once you entered all numbers or your IP address, press connect and it will automatically connect. It's magic. Step 7, install the file, and by simply selecting the file via the same application, the BugJaeger, by pressing the plus sign on the top, very much on the top, there is a little plus sign, press that one and the file should come up right away. If not, please check your target download location and take it from there. You may have downloaded stuff before and selected a certain location, a target location. Please make sure you go there and select it from there and then press OK, and it will automatically now install WhatsApp for you, for us, for everyone. And step 8, now it gets really exciting. You should be able to see the icon on your Galaxy Watch 4, the WhatsApp icon in your shelf, in your shelf, you know what I mean. You open it up and it's there. You see it, don't waste any time. Just touch it, open it up, and you can then register just the way you would do on a phone, for example. Choose your country from the drop-down menu, then go to the phone number. And you will notice at first that the keyboard doesn't pop up and you keep pressing and thinking, oh my God. What you need to do is here on the left-hand side, you will see your country code. Tap on that and then the keyboard will come up automatically. After that, either you put the number in right away with the country code, or you go back out and then tap again to the phone number field, and then the keyboard will come up automatically. I don't know what kind of security you have going on for your devices, but it will send you the official WhatsApp verification code to your phone, and then just put the phone in, put the code in, and then take it from there. the user stuff. So once it's all done, you registered, installed, and you have different ways to interact with this application, with the native WhatsApp application on your Galaxy Watch 4. Now, for me, the important part really is to see what happens when I go into contacts, which I did. I used the Samsung contact list, and went in there, tapped on one initial, and then I could see I had several options to go via WhatsApp. Once you do this, you can see here it's a one-time only thing, or always. It depends on how you want to do this. And then it's obviously not fully designed for Wear OS, so it may have some shortcomings in terms of design. But in terms of functionality, you can pretty much do everything as normal. So you do voice calls, believe it or not, via the WhatsApp application on your watch. Yes, that is possible. You can send pictures, you can send messages, you can send whatever you want. You can even send voice messages. You record them on your watch. You obviously have to enable all the permissions and security stuff. You have to go through this once, and then you do this, and then you're done, and then you can use WhatsApp natively on your Galaxy Watch 4. And you can even do video calls. Maybe the Galaxy Watch 5 has a camera installed. We've seen this before. A patent has been released by Samsung, and then you can even do video calls via WhatsApp on your watch. Now, there's one thing you should really know, and it will lock you out of your other devices if you log into your watch, but I haven't yet used the multi-beta device option, multi-device option beta version for WhatsApp, and maybe that will solve that issue. You can link more than one device to your number, so I will try this, but this is one way right now, as of today, for doing WhatsApp natively on your Galaxy Watch 4. Hopefully this was useful. If so, please make sure you leave an appreciation, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.